Hello dear students, today we are going to learn about countable and uncountable nouns. What do you buy when you go to the supermarket? Maybe you buy sugar, oil, rice, or maybe apples, tomatoes, or cookies. Can you count them? Well, today we are going to learn about countable and uncountable nouns, but we are going to remember what is a noun. A noun is a person, place, thing, or an idea. In English, a noun can be countable or uncountable. Countable nouns can be counted. For example, an apple, 2 apples. A car, 3 cars. 1 person, 10 people. And uncountable nouns, they can be counted because they are as a whole. For example, water. We don't say 1 water or 2 waters. Or maybe air. We don't say 1 air, 2 air. Or rice. We don't say 1 rice or 2 rice. It is important to check if a noun is countable or uncountable when we want to make a sentence or when we want to give an idea. Countable nouns, they have singular and plural form. They can use the article a or an before the noun. For example, she has 3 dogs. Dogs are in plural form. I bought a house. House is singular. For that reason, I use the article a before the noun house. Or, I ate an orange yesterday. An orange or orange is in a singular form. For that reason, I use the article an. Uncountable nouns are used with singular verbs. For example, abstract ideas like love, materials like gold, liquids, powders, or gaseous substance. For example, water. Water is a liquid. Or weather words. For example, rain. Let's see many examples with uncountable nouns. For example, sugar is sweet. Sugar is an uncountable. Sugar is a powder. There is some water in that picture. Water is a liquid. For that reason, it's an uncountable noun. There isn't any coffee. Coffee is a liquid, or maybe it's a powder. For that reason, it's an uncountable noun. Well, now we are going to check a list about what nouns we can consider countable nouns. For example, people. For example, woman is in a singular form, and we have women in plural form. There are 3 women in the room. Or child. Child is in a singular form, and children is in a plural form. For example, 2 children are playing in the yard with food. Let's see an example with a food that we can consider a countable noun. For example, pineapple. We bought a pineapple. Or cookies. I only ate 4 cookies. With measurements or units of time. Kilogram. I need 2 kilograms of rice. Hour. The bus arrives in 3 hours. Week. I see you in 1 week. With animals, for example, rabbit. We have 2 rabbits as a pet. Dolphin. We saw 3 dolphins in the aquarium. With places, for example, a station. There are only 1 bus station in the town. Or mountain. For example, he climbed 7 mountains. And we have here miscellaneous words with many nouns that we can consider countable nouns. For example, idea. Give me just 1 idea. Key. You put a key on the table. And now we have a list with uncountable nouns. Let's see. With liquids. For example, water. I drink water every day. With food. For example, rice. We cook rice in the afternoon. With gases. For example, air. I breathe pure air in the highlands. With materials. For example, gold. The price of gold increased the last week. With feelings. For example, love. Love is a wonderful feeling. Weather words. For example, rain. We had a light rain in the morning. And here we have a miscellaneous words with many nouns that we can consider an uncountable nouns. For example, money. We need money to buy this house. Or time. We spend time with the family. With uncountable nouns, we can use measure words to indicate the amount or quantity of something. For example, a glass of water, a cup of coffee, a bowl of soup, a slice of bread, a carton of milk, a roll of toilet paper, a bag of sugar, a drop of oil, a bottle of water, a grain of rice, a tube of toothpaste, a can of beer. Now, here we have a vocabulary related to shopping. So let's see what words we are going to learn in this vocabulary. Go shopping is a verb. Go to shops to buy things. For example, we can go shopping later. On sale is an adverb. It means at a reduced price. Tickets are on sale in that store. For sale is an adjective. It means available to buy. For example, her house was for sale the last year. Brown is a noun. It means a name or symbol of a product made by a company. For example, the store sells a variety of shoe brands. In cash or by car, they are adverbs. It means use cash or credit card to pay. For example, could I get a discount if I paid in cash? Window shopping is a verb. It means just looking, not buying. For example, it is always fun to go window shopping. Shopaholic is a noun. It means someone who enjoys shopping very much. For example, she loves buying clothes every week. She is a shopaholic. A bargain is a noun. For example, I got a bargain on the plane tickets. Thank you, students. Don't forget to check your notes, your book, and videos, and continue practicing your English. See you!